We're back. Jessica Taylor with 4 States Yoga, and she's going to talk about balance and show me some poses that help alleviate stress, and especially for this time of year. She's been out Christmas shopping today, so
yes,
she really needs
with the rest of Joplin and the 4-state area
crazy
for
town.
sure.
Okay.
Well, yesterday, first of all, I want to point out this creepy guy behind me.
Can you see? Yeah,
I feel like he's staring at me. Ignore the man in the corner. So yesterday was a doozy of a day, and I cried on the phone to my mom. And I realized I was just so stressed out, and I felt so overwhelmed. And my mom's like, you need to just take a deep breath and calm down. And I thought, oh my gosh, I'm the yoga instructor, and I'm the one that's like, Mom, I can't do all this stuff. So it made me realize I needed to get back to the balance. And I thought, I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that kind of feel the same way, because this time of year specifically, you can feel depressed, or you can feel low, or you can feel anxious or overwhelmed, which I think yesterday I felt all of these.
I think you did. You're going to have to teach yourself that you're going to be stopping in the mall.
Yes, I know. That's exactly right. Got free yoga for everybody. But I wanted to share with you just some balancing poses to kind of get that in people's mind that, you know, you don't have to go full throttle and get into the make everything perfect or have everything done. And so here's some balancing poses for us. So we're going to start on our left foot first. Okay. Now I'm going to just go ahead and raise and lower my toes. The weight's going to be distributed between your big toe, your pinky, and your heel. I painted my toes before this. So
well, they look very pretty.
Go ahead and bring your hands up to heart center, like in prayer pose. Yes. Then you're going to take that right foot. Now you can bring it to your ankle and just kind of rest on your toe. Okay. Now am I supposed to be raising at my toes the whole time? Yes, because eventually you're going to want to come up to your calf. Okay. Yep. So raise the crown of your head up towards the ceiling. Yep, perfect. Okay. Now, some people, if you really want to challenge, they can bring that foot all the way up above the knee. I don't really want to challenge. Unique is running cameras, and she's doing it at the same time. Yeah, so you want like a nice straight spine. Take a deep breath in. Let's bring it down. Shake it out. I'm not joking. I feel better. I'm not joking. It's just taking a second to pause. It sounds corny, but I think it's because that's the first deep breath I've taken all day. Yeah, a lot of shallow breathing, which doesn't help if you have something like anxiety, because you're like the whole time. So breathe with your belly, not your chest. Okay, so let's go ahead and come back, hands to heart center again. And look at our guy, looks like he's doing something too. Yes. We can do the other foot, that's fine. So again, the weight is I'm a little off. Weight is distributed between the big toe, pinky, and the heel. Now let's go ahead and raise our branches. Grow your tree. Grow your tree. Engage that core. And you get better at this the more you do of it, right? Yes. Raise that kneecap to engage the thigh. Now take your foot off, leave it up. Okay. And just lean forward. Oh, wow. So from the side. I look so awkward. Look at her. She just. Okay. That's all I could do. It's still good. Okay. It's still good. So you want to kind of be parallel to the floor. Okay. Okay, so the next one's a little bit more tricky. Oh, great. Okay. So take your left hand up, 90-degree angle. Take your right hand, sweep it underneath, wrap around, touch palms. If you can't touch palms, touch the back of your hands. Okay. Now kind of get your knees ready. Okay. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, take that right foot, wrap it around the left calf, and bend the knee. Oh my word. Unique's doing this over here like it's a cinch. It makes me think of like a totem pole. I think it's just because I don't have my yoga pants and tennis shoes on. I think that's what it is. Is all that it is. Come out, and you can kind of take a deep breath. Wow, I can feel how stiff all that is. I didn't even realize it. Okay. Yes. Now, if you want to practice a little bit more balance, but you want something that's a challenge, so feet about hip width apart. Okay. You're going to raise your arms up by your ears and bend your knees. And come up off of your heels. Okay. How about if I do this? If I hold on to you, I can do it. It's like dominoes. Yep. So you're just going to come up and rise up. Deep breath in. Hand on the chest, hand on the belly. Good. And then you'll want to do all of that on the other side. Okay, I feel better. Isn't that great? She comes in and shows us some simple things to do. I mean, you can do this. Hey, wrap a present. Stop, do this for a minute. I feel like my shoulders dropped. Yep. Isn't that funny? Yes. Darn it, I wanted, while she was up in the air, I wanted to give her a push and see if she, how I think she could too. She's got too darn good a balance. Thank you, Jessica. And if you'd like to take one of these classes from Jessica, you can look up 4 States Restoration and Yoga, or just 4 States Yoga on Facebook or on the web, and go by and take one of these classes and get good and relaxed. We need to get rid of some of this stress. Yes. How many times do we have to tell ourselves that? Well, meteorologist Matt Paz